This is unarguably one of the best projects in Ajah. I mean, there are houses, but this piece is an art. Tour with me. So, what we have here is an European-style living room concept, complemented by this well-crafted TV console, a perfect lighting, and built-in speakers for your entertainment, of course. Everything about this living room speaks of luxury. Now, take a look at this space over here. You can have your beautiful dining sets, or even a mini bar, or you can even have a snooker board over here. It's really going to be nice. And this leads us to the beautiful kitchen of this property. Behold the beauty of this kitchen. I mean, from the kitchen island to the countertops and cabinets, everything about this kitchen speaks intentional styling. Now, take a look at this multifunctional kitchen sink. Everything about this just tells you that the person who built this project is more intentional about functionality and comfort. Now, I must tell you that each and every one of this room is equipped with a TV console and a well-lit wardrobe. Now let's talk about this master's suite. I mean, this is exceptional. You have never seen anything like this anywhere else. Take a look at the perfect lighting and the beautiful closet we have here. And that leads us directly to the restroom. Now we have this amazing bathtub here. And the aesthetics in this bathroom is really nice. Everything complements each other. It gives you that kind of feeling that you would like to have when you are in a luxurious house like this one. What I find most appealing about this property is the privacy that was put in place for this swimming pool. Now take a look at this. Very private area. You can come in even at night, take a swim, and you're good to go. This property is priced at 260 million naira. For more inquiries and inspection, call the number on your screen today and let's show you this property. My name is Ajah Davis and I am your trusted property consultant for smart investments. See you on the next one.